BBMA is a profitable technique. This technique was invented by Malaysian traders. This technique has a very high win rate if you follow the rules. One of them, look for these signs for entry so that losses occur. BBMA setup starts from extreme for an early sign of a market trend, followed by mandatory TP and MHV. The market reversal will be valid if a CSAK or strong directional candlestick appears. If all signs have appeared, look for this point. 1. The candlestick has moved above or below the mid-BB. Depends on the previous market trend. 2. Look for the condition of MA5, MA10 adjacent to mid-BB. MA5, MA10 low for buy setup, and MA5, MA10 high for sell setups. Three. Look for the 50 EMA conditions adjacent to the BB mid and MA5, MA10. It's the best and very profitable re-entry place. If this setup is valid, you will get a lot of benefits. Minimum of 3 candlesticks of increase or decrease. Patiently waiting for a valid setup in order to get a lot of profit. Thank you for watching. See you.